Greetings, esteemed audience. Welcome back. This is the channel where we navigate the intricate world of 3D modeling with precision and sophistication. Today, I have the pleasure of presenting a carefully curated selection of exceptional 3D modeling assets and tools. If you find this content insightful, consider subscribing for more refined insights into the world of digital creation. Commencing our showcase is the Cyber Muscles 3D Kitbash by Armored Colony, a meticulously crafted assortment priced at $59. Designed to elevate your creative pursuits, this kit transcends conventional boundaries. Should you wish to explore further, the link is provided in the video description. Transitioning to character design, ZUDRIT presents a portfolio that resonates with diversity and professional finesse. Each character, meticulously rigged and thoughtfully designed, is available at varying price points, reflecting the intricacies and value imbued in these assets. Embarking on the domain of parametric design, ParametrStudio emerges as a vanguard. With tools such as Gravityshell and Cleaner, they redefine the paradigm of parametric creativity within Blender. Priced reasonably, these tools embody a commitment to advancing the industry and invite exploration. Our journey concludes with Polygoniq, a Prague-based studio at the forefront of visualization and 3D development. From the render manager to the expansive tree and grass library, Polygoniq's offerings are characterized by precision and ingenuity. Prices are reflective of the quality and commitment to excellence. And thus, we conclude our exploration of these exemplary 3D modeling assets and tools. Links to each showcased item can be found in the description below. If this video has provided value to your creative endeavors, kindly express your appreciation by engaging with the content. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, may your creations be both inspired and inspiring.